Affiliate marketing tutorial, how to make $150 per day as a beginner. Hi, my name is Todd Dowell and I'm out here in California as of right now. I'm a world traveler. I travel around the world about 10 months out of the year, but it all didn't start this way. See, I was working as a forklift driver, loading trucks, unloading trucks all day long, moving freight from one side of the warehouse to the other. And I can tell you, I desperately wanted out of that industry. I was working 12 hours per day and I needed something to help me to get away from working that job every single day. When I went onto the internet, I started searching on YouTube, trying to find different ways to make money online, buying ebooks, buying affiliate programs, buying product after product after product, and I finally discovered this thing called affiliate marketing. And so what I did as I was working at this warehouse job was I would go and write down notes every single day of what I learned when I went home every single day. Every ebook that I bought, every product that I bought, I would dissect them and I would learn, I would write down notes and I would study them as I'm at work every single day. And each night I would implement just one strategy at a time until I found something that was actually working. So in this video today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal how you can start making $150 per day as you're working your full-time job, or even if you're working a part-time job. This is something that you can do in your spare time to start making $150 per day. It wasn't too long ago that I was making $38,000 a year. Folks, that's $3,200 a month that I was making at this job. I'm not complaining because there's people out there that don't have jobs at all. But it's the simple fact that I wasn't happy with what I was doing. So I had to do something different. And affiliate marketing is something that I had to dive into because I felt like there was no other way to live out the dream that I wanted to live. And that was to travel the world like I am now. So if you want to discover the path that I took to get where I am today, you need to go ahead and watch the rest of this video. I come out with more videos every single day, tutorial style, showing you step by step exactly how to start implementing these strategies. It doesn't matter if it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, Facebook ads, advertisement, whatever it is. If it has to do with online marketing, I've been there, I've done that, and I share those tips right here on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get these tips and to get updated whenever I do come out with new videos on this channel. So with that being said, I'm going to hop on over to my computer and I'm going to share with you step by step what you need to do to make $150 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Alright, so affiliate marketing, how to make $150 per day as a beginner. Now I'm going to go over this tutorial quite quickly because we have a lot of content to go over in the next 7 minutes. So we're going to dive straight on into the training here. So this is what you need to do. And this is very important, folks. You don't want to skip over any of these steps because obviously, anything other than what I'm teaching you right now is not what I've done. In order to start making $150 a day as a struggling forklift driver. Now, all I did was, actually the first step was to pick a niche. Okay, and I'm going to be revealing my niche in the next part of this video, and so you get a better feel of exactly what I do in action. But you're going to pick a niche. Then the second step is you're going to choose an affiliate platform, and I'm going to give you 2 examples of affiliate platforms that you can use. And then the third step is you're going to create a YouTube channel. Now, it's not as simple as just picking a niche and choosing which affiliate platform that you're going to make commissions from, referring people over to buy products or services. But you need to start creating YouTube channel content. Okay, so you need to create content based around that niche that you've chosen to go into. So it must be something that you're passionate about, or something that you literally would sit there for hours trying to learn different things about that niche. Okay, and that could be a lot of different things, and I'm going to give you an example in this video so you can get a clear understanding of exactly how this works. But creating a YouTube channel and then creating content around that niche in a way that you point people over to whatever affiliate program. It could be you know, that you're actually referring them to actually purchase the product that you're demonstrating, or to learn a new technique, or whatever, or to learn anything, or to download, you know, whatever the case is. These affiliate platforms are what is going to help you to make that $150 per day. Without this, you're not going to make any money whatsoever, and without traffic to your website, you're not going to make any money at all. Okay, so this is what allows you to drive visitors, people who are interested in products. This is what's going to allow you to start making money. First is driving the traffic. Second, people go over to your through your affiliate links, right? And then they purchase the product, and then you, at the end of the day, make money. So diving into the second part of this, I wanted to give you an example, practical example. Let's say that I love golfing, which I don't. My dad loves golfing, and my girlfriend loves golfing, but I don't. But let's say that I did love golfing, and all I love to do on the weekends, or as soon as I get off of work, is I like to swing a golf club, and I like to talk about, you know, golf products, you know, golf balls, whatever, golf bags, golf clubs, places to go golfing. These are all pieces of content that you could be created in order to drive traffic over to your affiliate links. Now, as you can see, this is step number one, golfing. I picked my niche. Now I need to choose an affiliate platform to refer visitors over to throughout my YouTube content in order to start making money. So I chose, and everybody knows about Amazon.com. They have a plethora of different products and several niches. There's not one niche that you can't find on Amazon.com and actually make money from it. Now, Amazon is going to give you a certain percentage of the sale once you refer somebody over to through your Amazon affiliate link, okay? And if that person purchases that product, or if they add more additional products to their cart, you're going to get a commission for each and every one of those products they added to the cart because they clicked on your affiliate link. Okay, so if Amazon.com has a partnership program that you can join. It's free to join, doesn't cost any money, and you know, they're simply going to pay you to refer traffic to refer customers over to buy products from Amazon.com. That's how that works. You get a percentage of that sale. Even though you're not stocking any inventory at your house, you're not shipping anything out, you know, you're not dealing with any customer support, none of that. All you're doing is simply referring people over to buy products. So have you seen like YouTube channels where people are, you know, demonstrating products, and you know, they're saying, look, go ahead and check it out, it's on Amazon, blah blah blah. You know, those people are actually making money whenever somebody purchases through that link. So that's why they're sitting there demonstrating all these different products in whatever niche that they're doing it in, because they're getting paid. And so like there's another affiliate program called clickbank.com. It's totally different from Amazon.com in the sense that these are digital products that are digitally delivered to the customer. So once they purchase the software program or the PDF file, guide, or ebook, or video course, or you know, video lessons, it could be piano lessons, it could be golfing lessons, whatever it is, Amazon clickbank.com gives you a hefty commission versus Amazon.com, and it's like 50% to 70% commissions that you are earning through those digital products on ClickBank. And again, ClickBank is a free affiliate program to join, and they do have programs on there that pertain to golfing. So like, for example, let's say that people are watching my golfing video and I'm talking about a specific technique, and I found on ClickBank there is a product that actually walks people through on how to get that technique down. Then I will refer them over to my ClickBank affiliate link to that product, and if they purchase those lessons off of ClickBank through your link, you're going to get 50 to 75% of the commission. And so like that's how it works, folks. That's how you're making money here, is by creating content around things that you already love doing, or around things that you just wish to learn a lot more about. And usually is the things that will win for you. Okay, so you're creating a golfing channel, and what that looks like is reviewing golf clubs, right? You like to buy them anyways. Go ahead and purchase those golf clubs and do reviews on those golf clubs, whatever. As long as it's on Amazon.com, cool. You can refer them over there, and that's how you can make your money, by referring them to something that you would buy anyway. Maybe going to different golfing courses and just recording yourself at the golf course, or a new golf course, maybe reviewing a golf course, and then inside that content talking about a product that you're using in that process. Maybe it's a shoe, maybe it's a golf club covers, I don't know. Whatever that looks like, you can do base your content around that, and always refer back to something that they're looking to promote. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop on over to YouTube, where I'm going to show you some live practical examples so you can get a good understanding of exactly how this works and how you can get started making this $150 a day, plus revealing my niche and how I'm actually generating well over $150 a day with this strategy. So real quickly, I don't have a lot of time. I already went over minutes that I was going to actually cover in this video anyway. So what I did was I went on to Amazon.com. I just kind of try to familiarize myself with the type of products that people would buy for golfing. So what I came across was this umbrella, and just gave me an idea of going on to YouTube and then typing up golfing umbrella, so that I can find other channels of people who are reviewing certain products. And so what I did was I stumbled upon this video here, golf umbrella adjustable holder, right? And this is just one of the channels that are actually promoting different products. And as you can see here, he has affiliate links going to Amazon. So if I click on this link right here, it should take me on over to a product that he is promoting. All right, and that's all it is, folks. People are actually creating content. This is a 54-second video that they created for this product. You got over 1,800 views. And he's getting people are going to watch this video, and then they're going to click this link if they like the product, and they're going to purchase it through his link, and he's going to get a commission off of this sale here. That's how simple it is with affiliate marketing. But it's going to take a lot of sales to do this. You can't just make one video and call it a day. You got to make several videos. Just make this a hobby as you continue to go on. So like that brings me to the point of my channel, just to kind of give you a better understanding too, is that on my channel I do the same exact thing. I'm uploading videos, and I still do this because not only am I teaching people how to make money online or how to advertise their business, giving them practical tips, but at the same time I have my own programs that I market. And so by creating these videos, it allows me to get in front of the right audience that want my products and services, or need help with whatever it is that they're looking for inside of the make money online niche. So I can go after products, and I don't typically do Amazon products for this particular channel, but I do market products on clickbank.com, CPA offers. I have my own products, like I said again, that I created. And I have affiliate tools that I recommend, so I make commissions off of those as well. So there's several different ways to do this, folks. And like I said again, either way, you can make $150 a day. Amazon, any way that you're doing this, it's going to take time for you to start making the amount of money that you're looking to make. Okay, and so over time, you will build up a reputation on your channel, and you will become a authority brand as you continue to do this over time. And it will stay extremely consistent, even if you're not marketing. You'll get to a certain point where you don't even have to, work as hard as you did in the beginning to get the ball rolling, and it will consistently bring in passive income for you. And that's when you're able to step away from your job. I would give this about 6 months tops. You can walk away from that job, or like I said again, guys, it just depends on how hard you work. And what is what your work ethic is like. how bad do you want to get away from that job, or how bad do you want to get out of your situation. That's gonna determine how hard you're gonna work at something like this. So with that being said, folks, I know I didn't have a lot of time to go into real deep details about this, but I will be breaking this down over the next couple of days. So go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will be breaking a few things down to you so you can understand exactly how this works. You guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.